This is the world's teeniest, tiniest real ice cream machine. Let's test it out to see if it actually works to make real ice cream. This is what the kit looks like. It's really cute. It's by the brand Smart Labs. Let's open it up and see all the cute little ice cream making tools. Here's what the kit looks like unpacked. It comes with a cone holder, serving bowls, a little mixing spoon, a little tool to fold the cones over, a silicone mat to bake the cones on, a little tool to get the cones out, and an ice cream scoop, real tiny measuring spoons, a mixing bowl, and the ice cream churner. It also comes with a recipe book about how to make all the different flavors of ice cream. This is their vanilla ice cream recipe. I mixed a 1/4 cup of cream, a 1/4 cup of half and half, a tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you add this to the ice cream churner. Then it has you put the churner in a bowl of ice with a layer of salt and water on top of that. Add more salt and ice and it's ready to churn. It looks like it's actually starting to work. It's been around 15 minutes and it's starting to freeze and thicken up. It's been churning for around 30 minutes now. Once the ice cream reaches the top of the lid, it's ready to eat. Next, we wipe off all the salt water from the canister so it doesn't make the ice cream salty. Alright, let's open it and see if it worked. It's all frozen. It looks like ice cream. I say it worked pretty well. It scoops really easily. It's almost the same consistency as a soft serve ice cream. I love the little serving bowls. They're so cute and tiny. This ice cream melts really quickly, so you're going to want to eat it fast. Before this, I made the tiny cones in the recipe book with the little waffle cone maker. These came out so cute and perfect. I'll make another video about how I made these cute little cones. So there you have it. The tiniest ice cream machine in the world really does work. This is a really fun and educational activity to do with kids or anyone else. My 3-year-old had so much fun making and eating these little ice cream cones. We can't wait to make some of the other flavors in the recipe book. I'll put the link to this ice cream kit in the description below. If you want to see more tiny baking recipes, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.